7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Zagreb is often called the city of museums. It has over 3.6 million exhibits and the highest number of museums per square meter.
Hi, my name is Andrea, and today I'll show you some of Zagreb museums and all kinds of magic that you can do there.
First, let's make friends with the oldest tourist in Zagreb. She arrived from Egypt 150 years ago, bringing Zagreb a unique present. Rosie is a 2,500 years old Egyptian mummy with a super special fashion sense. Inside the linen she was wrapped in, there was a secret inscription. Don't worry if you can't read it. It's in the old Etruscan language. This is the famous linen book of Zagreb, the world's oldest remain of the Etruscan culture. Rosie defies the time, but here in the Museum of Arts and Crafts we can do more tricks with it. High up in the attic, we can also stretch a moment in time. Every day these wonderful antique clocks chime their 12 o'clock rhapsody, but each clock is slightly ahead or behind the correct time. Because of this trick, high noon in Zagreb lasts not 1, but 10 full minutes. We all know that true love lasts forever. But what if your heart gets broken along the way? Don't worry, we can fix this in the Museum of Broken Relationships. The trick is not to bury our sorrows or chuck away the mementos from our failed relationships.
Hi.
Bonk.
Every year thousands of people get their broken hearts mended here. Tell me, what do they do to work that magic?
So what people find is kind of comfort in the company of stories of perfect strangers. It's like a museum of love, just upside down.
For many centuries, time was chugging along at a steady pace. Then comes the contemporary moment and whoosh, everything changes quickly. The buildings transform into meanders, like the Museum of Contemporary Art. Installations, video objects and posters move in and make friends with classical paintings. Even playground toys become art installations.
So forget the stairs. Let's take the plunge and get our heart racing.
Let's fire up our engines and quickly travel into the future. If anyone could have done that, it was the genius Nikola Tesla. Here in the Technical Museum, you can learn all about his patents and discoveries, like how he lit up the world with his alternating electric current. But for most of us, Tesla's beautiful mind remains a mystery. So the best way to understand his super ideas is to get geeky in the replica of his lab. Who hasn't dreamed of having at least one
superpower?
These puzzles in the Museum of Illusions will bend your mind in all directions. Your head will be flexible like a yogi on a mat. You can also use your eyes to play tricks with your mind. Didn't they always tell you that visiting museums can make you into a bigger person?
Or if you ever feel lonely, you can simply multiply yourself. Now you'll have enough time and enough of yourselves to visit every single museum in Zagreb.